Smarter instructions for smarter manufacturing. Operator training is often time-consuming and inconsistent. Experienced workers retire, taking valuable knowledge with them. New hires require extensive onboarding, and keeping work instructions up to date demands constant effort. Flanders Make is developing intelligent tools to make operator training more efficient and highly personalized. This demo displays our automated toolchain for generating tailored work instructions and trainings based on each operator's competency level. The system uses large language models to extract the required skills and competencies from existing work instructions. By linking this information to operator profiles in a learning management system, it then adapts the content to match each person's experience and proficiency. Finally, it automatically creates targeted learning materials such as micro-trainings and quizzes to close identified competence gaps. A dynamic and data-driven training environment boosts operator performance, shortens onboarding and training times, and reduces the effort needed to create and maintain digital work instructions. Discover more about smarter instructions for smarter manufacturing, tailored to every operator.